In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play 3-check on chess.com. To get started from any page on the site, move your mouse over the play button at the top. A menu will appear. From there, click the option labeled 4-player invariants. This takes you to a dedicated page where all the special game types live. On that page, choose 3-check from the list of variants. Once you're on the 3-check screen, you can jump straight in by finding a random opponent, or you can challenge a friend if you'd like to practice together. Here's the core idea that makes this variant unique. Instead of only winning by checkmating your opponent, you can also win by checking their king 3 times. Checks do not need to be consecutive. Every time you give a legal check, it counts as 1. To help you keep track, there's a check counter displayed alongside the board that shows how many checks each player has delivered so far. When one side reaches 3, the game ends immediately. All the usual chess rules still apply. You cannot move into check, pieces move the same way, and checkmate is still a valid way to win. If one player runs out of time, the usual time rules decide the game. And just like in standard chess, stalemate remains a draw, so it does not count as a win under the 3-check condition. Because checks themselves are a direct path to victory, strategy shifts in important ways. King safety becomes absolutely critical from move 1. Open lines that might enable quick checks, like diagonals toward your king or files that invite a rook or queen, need extra attention. Be cautious about early pawn moves that create holes around your king, especially the pawns in front of your castling side. Fast, purposeful development is essential, but do it with safety in mind. Aim to control central squares while also keeping key escape squares covered so you're not forced into a sequence of checks. On the attacking side, prioritize moves that create forcing threats. Pins, discovered attacks, and tempo-gaining moves that come with a check are incredibly valuable. However, avoid reckless sacrifices unless they lead to a clear series of checks or a checkmate. Material still matters if the attack fizzles out. On defense, remember that trading off your opponent's most aggressive pieces, like a well-posted queen or bishop aiming at your king, can be a practical way to reduce the danger. Once you've selected 3-check and started a game, keep an eye on the counter, balance attack with caution, and enjoy the fast, tactical battles this variant creates.